guys, so first things first, let's address the obvious. I don't believe in pants, okay? I'm wearing shorts, boxers. We don't believe in pants around here. Second off, I just wanted to show you guys, I've had this silver dresser for, well, black and silver. I used to have kind of a gray theme to my room. Now I'm kind of switching to more brown tones, so I wanted to give my dresser a little bit of a makeover. But I'm poor because I'm in med school, and that's how life is. So, I went on Amazon and found a wood grain contact paper. I'll link it down below. And it was like $6 or $7. Ordered it, and it ended up being literally the perfect amount. I had like maybe 4 square inches of leftover material. So you'll see me fight it a little bit, but really it was super easy, and for $6 I am super happy with it. The edges do need to be secured a little bit. They kind of peel up whenever I open and close the doors, but other than that, I freaking love it. So enjoy. It's not really a tutorial, it's just kind of like a watch me do this, but I hope it inspires you to do a fun project to your room, to your apartment, to your house, to whatever the hell, to your life. Let me know in the comments if you do a fun craft, because I love crafts. But anyways, enjoy. freaking love it. I think it matches my room perfectly. I got a new duvet that looks like burlap and stuff, so I'm loving it. I think it fits in perfect, and for $7, like I said, I'm freaking ecstatic about it. So, see you guys in the next one. I got a couple videos in the works I'm trying to get out. This was a quick one that I thought was enjoyable. I like to watch people do DIY projects, so here's one of mine. Thanks for watching, guys.